Guys, check this out. What we got here is a MECO MC-CA3. This is a compressed air duster or air blower. It's very compact. Let's see what's in the box. It will come with a carry bag. Will come with a few brushes, your user manual. You got your charging cable. This is just a USB-C port cable. You have a different cap, and finally you have your duster. Like I said, this is very compact, probably very useful. Not fully charged, only at 72%, but you can go from 1% to 100%. And this is probably gonna be good for cleaning your computer. You could use it to clean up your keyboard. You could use it to dust your desk. You could use it to blow some leaf out of your front porch or your deck. So this is the two different caps that it will come with, and all you have to do is twist them counterclockwise to take them off, and you can install your other one. As far as how this thing is powered, it has two 4000 mAh batteries, so 8000 mAh is almost like if it has a 8000 mAh battery. And this is advertised to run up to 220,000 RPMs, which is a little crazy to be this tiny, kind of small, but it's very powerful. I'm not gonna lie to you. This is very useful for a lot of different things. That's just some of the little things that I use it for, but you could use it for many other things. This is not bad. This is a good product.